Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to export Expensify. First, open your browser and head to the new Expensify site. Make sure you're on the new experience, not the classic one, so the layout matches what you'll see here. If you're asked to sign in, use your usual account and let the dashboard load completely before moving on. On the left side of the screen, look for the navigation panel. In that panel, find the section labeled Reports. This is where all of your expense reports live, whether they're open, submitted, or approved. If your window is narrow, the labels might collapse into icons, so you may need to widen your browser or hover to see the names. Go ahead and click Reports to open the reports list. You'll see your reports organized by date and status. Use the search bar or filters if needed to narrow things down, but for now, locate the report you actually want to export. In the example, it's a sample report, but you can pick any report that's ready. Click the report to open it. You'll land on the report's detail view where you can review expenses, totals, and policy information. At the top right of this page, look for the More button. It might appear as a menu with additional actions. Click that to open the extended options. In the menu that appears, scroll down until you find the Export option. Depending on your permissions and setup, this may be grouped with other sharing or download actions. Take a moment to review the choices so you pick the one that best fits your needs. When you're ready, click Export. If you need a data-friendly file you can work with in a spreadsheet or pass to your accounting system. Alternatively, if you just need a clean, ready-to-share copy, click Download as PDF. The PDF is great for emailing, archiving, or attaching to approvals. After you click, the file will download to your computer, usually to your default downloads folder. If prompted by your browser, choose where to save it and give it a clear name so you can find it later. If you don't see the export or download as PDF option, make sure you're viewing a specific report and that your role allows exporting. Refreshing the page or clearing filters in the reports view can also help if the list looks empty. And that's it. You've navigated to New Expensify, opened the Reports section, selected the report you need, used the More menu, and exported it either through the Export option or by downloading it as a PDF. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.